This is the Cedar Lake Road we're crossing, located in the CP MN&S line in St. Louis Park, Minnesota. Here we have two gateless signals, each with LED lights, and one mechanical bell. So now we're looking east. You look here at the western signal. Start off with the main lights. Got 12 by 24-inch Harmon fading LED using Safetran frames. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 854-230K. Front view of the side lights with a Safetran Junction box. This has a Safetran base. Side view lights and back view of the side lights. Back view lights with another Safetran Junction box. Get a better view of it because the sun's in the picture. There it is. Here's a back view of the western signal. The grade is all concrete. Here's a relay bundle in the southwest quadrant. Track view facing south towards Edina and Bloomington, and track view looking north towards Golden Valley and towards Crystal, New Hope, and eventually towards the connection towards the CP Painesville sub. This crossing originally had two cantilevers here, but now it actually has a gateless signal and one cantilever. Kind of upsetting. But the gateless signal seems to be a bit older, but it's a little bit new, but it's somewhat weathered. But there's no overhead lights here anymore. You still see a bell on the signal, but same to the with the cantilever, with the western cantilever, but the bell might sound the same. I'm not sure. Just gotta be careful about these cars here. Careful. Of course, this is probably the one and only crossing with the. I think this is probably the one and only crossing with a road closure, maybe. I mean, this crossing was replacing this road, and they added sidewalks here, the south side. It was never there, but there's still a sidewalk to the north side. Anyways, better not get in the sun picture. Here's an overview now looking west. You look here, the western signal. Start off with the overhead lights. Got 12 by 24-inch Harmon fading LED using Safetran frames. Gotta be careful around the sun because it's setting here. Maybe a beautiful sunset. And here's the main lights. 12 by 24-inch Harmon fading LED using Safetran frames. Same here with the overhead lights. Dot tag again. Front view of the side lights of the Harmon Junction box, and side view of the main lights, and back view of the side lights with another Harmon Junction box. This is a Harmon cantilever. Back view of the main lights. Up top we got a WCH mechanical bell. It still survives at this time. During this road closure back a while ago, maybe since 2020. Back view of the overhead lights. I can hardly see the junction box in there. I don't know what it is. I'll find out later. Maybe I'll find out right now. Oh, it's Harmon. Yep, it's a Harmon junction box. And back view of the eastern signal. So this has been the Cedar Road Railroad Crossing.